ADCO Tire Cover. Protect your tires from damage caused by UV rays and bird droppings. Fits a spare tire with 27 diameter. Heavy-duty vinyl with hollow bead welt cord and elasticized back for ease of installation. ADCO Products, Inc. is a fourth-generation family-owned sewing business that was established in 1955. ADCO has produced more than 20 million protective covers and assorted soft goods. Specialists in RV covers, trailer covers, motorcycle covers and general contract sewing. ADCO products offer quality and value with over 55 years of expertise. Top reviews from the United States. Very high quality product. I've used ADCO tire covers for years on my travel trailers, both as spare tire covers and covers for my tires when parked at home. The last set lasted 7 years in the hot Sacramento sun before the sun won out. The tires were well protected. I would and I will purchase again when needed.